I'd like to show you one of the entrances to the caves. The intention here has been to have the player engage rather overtly with the more survival aspects of this map. They come across in other ways as well. The ammunition is quite limited, as well as health. This environment's quite dark, which promotes a bit more conscious action and cautious and deliberate gameplay from the player. I also wanted to double down on the idea of something that feels like Doom rather than looks like Doom. You won't find organic or even dark to this level environments in the original games. The other thing that I really like about these caves is they give Doom's sound design a real chance to sing. And it's a whole lot of fun having to listen out for the enemies long before you're able to see them. Of course, surprise is also a big part of Doom. So as well as these caves being quite dark and slow paced, there are points of action. And in this particular bit of footage, we're about to see another way that the survival aspect comes into play. Ammunition is quite low, and if you haven't been sufficiently conservative or head off into a dangerous area unprepared, you may not meet the prettiest fate.